Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and an interesting question that popped up, and I think we did talk about it a very long time ago, and maybe a little update is interesting here, and it's about Chromium. So everybody knows Google Chrome. A lot of people use Google Chrome. It's the web browser that is the majority of users. And of course, we all know that Google Chrome shares a tremendous amount of data through different Google services, and most of them for ad capabilities. But the question that came is, okay, but all the browsers are based on Chromium, even Microsoft Edge and Brave. And the question that comes to mind is, how much of a separation does the open source Chromium have with Google itself, because Google owns Chromium? So what happens is that Google, when they actually established Chromium based browser and of course under its wing, did say that it would be a 100% open source software that has nothing to do with Google. And so what happens is that if you use the Chromium browser, there is absolutely no data shared from the browser itself with Google, where Google Chrome does in its services have a lot of data shared. Now, you got to understand that by data shared means that telemetry and information that the browser itself will send out to Google. So you're still being tracked, of course, in Chromium and all of that, but that's a separate entity. It's due to the nature of how the web works. So it is under a protection. They do say that they are obeying open source rules, and that the code within Chromium is really something that doesn't have a relation to Google itself. That's why browsers use it. If there would be no separation and in all the data being sent out, a lot of browsers would probably not exist. For example, Brave, which is a browser that prides itself on privacy and no tracking, of course, is a Chromium-based browser. If Chromium was a problem in the privacy and security, Brave would not exist. So it is really a total separation, and Chromium is really an open source software that anybody can collaborate on. And a lot of companies use that base of the browser, that basic browser of Chromium, and they will add their own things over it. So Brave has, using their own skin, their own user interface with its own privacy and security engine. Like Edge uses the Chromium engine, but will share its own way of dealing with, sending out data, in this case, more to Microsoft than to Google, and so on. So, yep, it is a fairly free open source software, and it is something that I think everybody can rely on, as it does not share all the tracking and all the data sending that Google does with Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.